What if I told you this AI can turn a normal photo into a cinematic viral video in seconds? And honestly, the results look absolutely insane. Most people still think you need expensive software or professional editing skills to create videos like this, but that's not true anymore. Because today, I'm going to show you a completely free AI tool that can animate photos automatically and turn them into realistic videos. Let's get started. For this video, I'm using this free AI tool. And trust me, this tool is way more powerful than most people expect. You can create AI images, animate them into videos, and even customize the movement style. I'll also make a detailed video about all the advanced features later. But for now, let me show you the easiest way to create AI videos from photos. First, open Chrome browser, or honestly, any other browser. Now search for Meta AI and open the first website you see. Once the page loads, sign up using your Facebook account, mobile number, or email. After you finish login, you'll enter the main AI chat interface. Now this is where things get interesting. Inside the chat box, enter any image prompt you want. For example, a futuristic cyberpunk city with neon lights and cinematic atmosphere. Then wait a few seconds, and Meta AI will generate your image automatically. Honestly, some of these AI-generated images look crazy realistic. Now go to the top left corner and click on Create. You'll see the image you just generated. Select any image you want to animate, then click the Animate option. And this is the insane part. Meta AI will automatically turn your normal image into a moving cinematic video. You can even customize the animation style and motion to make it look more dramatic and professional. Once your AI video is ready, go to the top right corner and click the download button. And that's it. You just created a cinematic AI video completely free. No editing experience, no expensive software, no complicated workflow. Honestly, AI video tools are getting insane right now. And this is probably only the beginning. If you want more videos about AI tools, future technology, and viral creator hacks, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. And comment what type of AI video you want me to test next.